Hey guys, good morning. We're going to go over MANA. MANA's actually looking very healthy this morning. I want to show you guys a few things, but if you guys got money in MANA, you're probably going to like this analysis. The emotional index, market cap strength, we're going to go over, trades in favor, well-institutional smart money, support resistance prices, dollar cost average entries, and we're going to end the day with a trade setup. Our trade setups, guys, we're currently 122 wins and one loss. The one loss is on Luna, just so you guys all know. And I'll teach you guys exactly how to trade this way. Last profit we took was on 9.921 SHIB, and then the other 50% was about 4%. So the first 50% we exited at about 10% profit, and the second 50% was about 4%. And we're just doing this over and over and over and over again. Even in a bear market, we have one of the strategies, probably one of the only strategies online that has this great of risk management, where our break-even entry just absolutely crashes down with us, which is a very good thing. Okay, let's get into the analysis. Retail traders, they're waking up this morning. They're looking at their RSI stochastic MACD 150, 50, 100, and 200 moving averages, okay? They're looking at this to give them confidence of where the momentum's heading. We're still below the 100. We're still below the 200, okay? This is showing some bearish pressure, but we've got some formations happening on the actual price structure this morning that I want to point out to you guys. We've got this impulse to a little bit of a consolidation move back down. This is technically what's called a bull flag, okay? This will most of the time try to push to the upside. The nice part about this is that this is happening right around a descending resistance. So when this happens around a descending resistance and this starts breaking up right here, you're going to start hitting stop losses on lower time frames for short orders. Does that make sense? Because a lot of people are looking to go short right now. But when this starts heading back up, stop losses will get hit. The people going short are going to either hit their stop losses or they're going to have to cover their loss by going long to make their profits back up. This is a very good situation to be in if you guys have money in the market looking for this to head back up. It just has a lot of signs. Look at price versus well money flow and the trend exhaustion. Here's the price. It's in pink. I just have it taken off because I want to look at the well money flow for a second. The well money flow, what are wells doing? Well, guys, look at this. We have top sections up here where if we take a horizontal line, we can look at this. Take a horizontal line, look at the bottoms right here. We have plenty of room to move up as well. So if we were waking up this morning and we saw the well money flow, and you guys need to watch this, this is how you use these indicators. If you were to see this up here at the top, I would be coming out with the analysis right now and saying, hey guys, we need to be watching for this drop back down. The thing is well money flow is not purchasing a lot, and the trend exhaustion is by no means exhausted from going up. So this is actually a bullish sign that we can definitely see a move up higher here. It's not exhausted. Does that make sense? Okay, let me show you another reason why. If you come up here and look at the well money flow, and you look at trend exhaustion in the top red section, and you just follow this straight up here, looking right here, and you follow this straight up like this, what you saw around these areas is that this is where the market actually started crashing back down, because you need to understand whales are going to buy and they're eventually going to sell off in order to take profits. That's what this green line shows you. This line down here, the white line, is going to show you if the trend, the actual structure of crypto on that currency is getting overextended. This is how you guys call drops and how you call pumps in the market, and this translates over to moolah. It's money that you guys get to make, okay? When trend exhaustion is low, when well money flow is low, this is where you guys are looking to get in. You're either looking to scalp or ride this for the duration of a period up, 4 to 5%, maybe 10%, okay? Watch that, guys, because this is where we're looking for this move up. Let's now go over, and I want to talk to you guys about the metrics this morning. They're going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is in about an hour and 20 minutes, okay? The emotional index is sitting neutral. We're not in a fearful section. We are not in a greedy section. We're just content. The whole market on MANA is content. Well, a lot of people are not only content, they're really happy because we shot up over 100% over here. 127% jump here. It was one of the coins that jumped the highest out of all of them because it literally came back to pre-pump levels down here. If you guys saw this, it was ridiculous. Like, it came back down to here. Pre-pump levels, guys. MANA is still a coin that I hold. I love MANA, and I think it's going to be a coin that's going to do very well. Let's continue here. The market cap strength. This is just looking really healthy. If we were going to be, assessing this, if this was like a doctor's office for crypto, and MANA came walking in today, I would say, look, the heartbeat of MANA, the market cap strength, is healthy. It's following price. That is really good. What we don't want to see, guys, is price going like this, and we don't want to see the green line going like that. This means the price is going up. It literally means retail traders are being abandoned to the upside, and the market cap, which is controlled by the big boys, the institutions, they're selling out. So when you look at this metric on all of our coins, when you guys have a membership here, watch to see what whales are doing. If you get left behind and the white line starts moving up and the green moves down, it literally is showing you guys institutions are selling out and they're abandoning retail traders to the upside to move the price up, and there's not a lot of volume in that, okay? It's a trap that you guys can see on Bitcoin. It's just how we've called market cycles for the last 5 times, okay? Trades in favor, take a look at this. Neutral section. If you guys are going to get into a trade today, this is not a bad time. The reason why I say it's not a bad time is because you can get in right now and you have the great possibility of it going up. But if it goes back down, I'll show you guys how to use good risk management, just like how we used over here, where you guys are going to be able to actually have your break-even entry fall with you as the price goes down. It continually gives you a better break-even. So instead of, I'll just look at this real quick so you guys can understand this. Instead of coming back over here and being down, let's say at the moment, 62%, you're only down about 39 right now, okay? Because we use a dollar cost average entries. Now, when this goes back up, guys, you're going to make a lot more money than your first entry. You're going to make 4 times the amount. Why? Because your 4th buy limit was hit. You must put risk management forward, and it must be first in your strategy, okay? If you want to be successful here. The people who make snapshots of their accounts that look like they've done a ton of money, a lot of times they put a lot of money in at the beginning, but they disappear and they go away in times of bear markets because they did not use any risk management. So just be aware of that, okay? It's kind of a deception thing that happens out there on those TikToks and Instagram reels you guys are watching. Okay, well-institutional smart money. These guys are looking at the market and saying, hey, this is probably a decent place to look to short. So if I were to say, is there any bearish signs? This is the only bearish sign I really see, guys, is institutions are looking to come out here and look to short this a little bit. Now, again, trend exhaustion is not high. Well, money flow is not high. And to be honest, this is not a super high metric either. We have had this aggressiveness a lot lower. So really, guys, if you're taking any positions today, I would either hold your long positions and look for exits when the trend exhaustion hits the top red section right here. Okay, and while money flow high, that's looking for the next exit. You can also do this on the daily time frame if you come over here. I'm talking about people who are in positions. The next time this hits the top red section, while money flows high here, guys, I would definitely be looking to take some profit if you guys are looking to take profit. Last time this happened up here, we saw a massive drop back down in crypto. Previous time before that, we got way overextended into the market and we saw a drop back down. Previous time before that, trend exhaustion's high. We're seeing well money flow creep up here, drop that back down in the market. Trend exhaustion is the best indicator with the price versus well money flow to trade crypto, period. There's no better ones, guys. I literally coded indicators for a living for TradingView.com customers about 2.5, pushing on 3 years now. There's none better than that. We have them on sale in the description. They're 84% off. If you guys want to snag that, you have 14 days left, and then I'll be upping the price. So get those on your charts to make some money with those. Okay, resistance, 167. Let's take a look at this real quick. So 167, it's pushing us up here a little bit higher. I think it's this point right here. Yeah, 167. This really is the next target we all need to look for. And I actually want to pull this over here. Let's see if it's close. Yes, perfect. So this is where I'm looking at. It's going to be this resistance here and this one right here. So 167, if we see any type of pump move up here, most likely we are not going to go any higher than 167. So if you guys get into trade setups today and you get in right now, you could be looking to take about a 35% profit on this. And I honestly, guys, even if my mother was sitting right here, I'd be like, Mom, I personally, excuse me, guys, sorry, I wouldn't hold this too much higher or probably any higher than 165 because you want to get out before people get to the absolute peak of 167. Okay, so you guys are looking to take probably right around 33 or 34% profit on that. So great job if you guys are entering into that trade. Okay, let me show you guys how to get into a trade. Dollar cost average entries, if you throw money into the market, every time you get a green line, you guys are doing great. Okay, as far as the trade setup, let me show you guys how to get into this. I want to keep it private for our members, but let me show you this. In order to access all these charts, you guys are just going to pay $95 a month. That's it. All the whale metrics to see what the whales are doing, you're going to get. The entries and exits on Telegram. The master classes, I've literally taught hundreds of millions dollar worth of hedge funds, billion-dollar hedge funds, literally. Master classes, watch those. The community chat, master classes, and the Inner Circle Hangout, and the Telegram and coaching if you guys would like. So Inner Circle, I'm going live with you guys on Thursday. This Thursday, there's 2 days left, and I'll be opening this up to all of our members. So once you guys have your membership, you guys will get a ticket into that. Just click this link right here. You'll get on live and Zoom with me, and we'll do an open Q&A session. All right, let's get into this, and I'll show you guys the actual indicator sale we got going on, and we'll wrap this video up for today, okay? Pretend this is MANA. You're going to see this on every one of our charts here. 4 different buy limits. You're going to take $1,000 and split it into 4 equal portions, $250. Now place the 250 at each buy limit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Once your first buy limit is hit, you're going to set a sell limit up in the green. For example, Bitcoin is 41,363. This is going to give you guys a really good exit in case the market explodes. Now, what I'm going to do in Telegram for all of you guys is call exits for you. It's going to be really simple. Not a single person has lost a trade that we've traded outside of the big Luna crash. We're 122 wins and 1 loss on Luna. Okay, if the anomaly of Luna would not have happened, guys, we would have been in an incredibly healthy trade. But things happen in crypto. That's just the best way to sum it up. So once you guys are in this trade, follow me in Telegram. And because we're in this trade already up here at 197, you can wait for me to call an exit. Or the better thing to do is get the indicators. And when trend exhaustion, let me get to the daily time frame again. 4 hour or daily. I've been doing more analysis on daily and 4 hour together recently. I'm just showing you guys the options. That's really all it is, different options. If you guys want to just get into a trade, hold when you're back up here. You saw the accuracy already, guys. The drop happened right there. Look at this. The drop happened up here. Looking for this move back down. You're seeing I'm sorry, I'm not making these like super straight. Seeing the drops back down. Okay, these indicators are going to help you guys get out of the market before it drops. That means you're going to secure profits, take those profits home, and then when the indicators show a great entry back at the bottom here, that's where you guys can get back into the market and start trading it back up and going long again. These are going to help you guys make money. So these indicators, they're in the description, and I pinned it to the first comment of this YouTube video. You guys are going to get 84% off all of our indicators. We will never have our indicators lower than this price. Please hear me out, guys. We will never have our indicators lower than this price. You click this link right here, enter coupon code SAVEMONEY at checkout. You guys will get 84% off the bundle pack. If you want to use coupon code SAVEMONEY on our individual indicators, you can totally do that. You guys are going to get 40% off the first 3 that you see on my charts every morning and that I just showed you on TradingView, and then you'll get 60% off the rest of the 6. Get the bundle pack, you'll get 84% off everything, and you'll get all 9 indicators. 2 Forex indicators, never coded on TradingView before. The pressure gauge indicator is what's called our jackpot indicator. So literally, guys, if you're looking for a suite of indicators, this is after I've literally coded hundreds of indicators. I'm not even joking, guys. Hundreds of indicators and versions and variations for TradingView customers. Guys, these are going to be the best that you can use. I'm convinced of that, seriously. And we've literally put them to the test and got 122 wins and 1 loss. Okay, and we're using these trend exhaustion and price to swell money flow indicators. So snag those in the description so you guys can see more accuracy in your trades. And if you guys want to watch the 100% win scalping strategy outside of the trade of Luna, just want to make that very clear. Outside of the trade of Luna being a loss, this has never lost a trade. Okay, besides a stable coin coming unpegged, this has never lost a trade. So if you guys are trading any of the top 10 coins, I would feel very confident that you guys are probably never going to lose a trade if you just watch how we scalp this market. The indicators are going to be needed for this, so make sure you guys snag those. Everything you need, guys, is in the description. The indicators are on sale. The membership's there, and I will see you guys in 2 days in the Zoom call that's going live with all the members from 3 to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I can't wait to see you guys. I love you guys. Have an amazing day. God bless you. This is looking bullish on Mana. We may see a little drop down, guys, but we're seeing a bull flag, and this is also looking like we have more room to move up. So I would just be holding your Mana. If not holding, getting into a position, using the dollar cost average entries, and looking to take some profit soon. I love you guys. Everything you need is below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.